Welcome students, today we are going to continue our chapter number 14, that is part 4. Till part 3 we have completed. In that we have seen till formation of shadow. Now let us move to the remaining part of the lesson. Before that they have given some extra information, that is a sundial. Children, let's know something more about it. A sundial is nothing but, children, it is an instrument which indicates the time. It is used to know the time, children. With the help of, how we come to know the time, children? With the help of this sundial, children, with the help of an extent and a direction of the shadow of an object. On that sundial there is one pointer, okay? That pointer shadow is casted, and with the help of that shadow the time is noted. Understood, children? Earlier time was also measured by placing a stick parallel to the axis. Suppose this is the earth, so this is the axis of the earth, so one stick is placed parallel to the axis, and by noting the position of the shadow on its dial, okay children, the shadow is casted of that stick at a different position, and the time is noted of the day. Understood, children? The largest sundial is at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. Its picture is given to you. This is the sundial's picture. It is in Jantar Mantar ground, at Jantar Mantar ground in New Delhi. Children, now research work presented by Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman. This was the scientist, his name was C.V. Raman. He has done one experiment that is called as scattering of light, and that experiment was named as Raman effect by his name. He discovered this effect on 28th Feb 1928. To commemorate this event, 28th day is also celebrated as National Science Day, because he has discovered a important experiment, that is scattering of light, and it was named as Raman effect also. On which day? 28th Feb. So on his, to remember this, this day is also celebrated as National Science Day. Now let's move further, children. Children, there is a little fun. Use your hands and feet to make different shadows. Everybody must have done also, children. You can make any shape of bird, animal, and you can cast a shadow, okay, with the help of your hands and feet. Let's try this, children. This is one experiment to show scattering of light. Okay, what apparatus means, what things you have to do for the for the experiment. This is the glass you need, water you need inside the glass, a large white sheet, okay. Place a glass sheet with the water on a sheet of paper in the window. What you have to do, you have to take this glass filled with water, and you have to place it in a sunlight, okay. This glass you should place it in a sunlight where you receive it. What is seen on the paper, and this paper should be kept like this. Children, you will see the sunlight will pass from this glass, and it will scatter in the 7 colors like rainbow, okay. Now can we do the same in the dark room with the help of prism and torch? There is one prism, glass prism like this in triangular shape, okay. It is made up of glass. You can do the same experiment in the dark room. You can take the torch and torch over here, and you can scatter the light on this prism in the dark room, and when you on this torch, what happens, the light gets scattered from this prism into the 7 colors. That is called as a scattering of light. Children, one more experiment you have to do. You have to take a soap water and a small loop of wire. This everybody must have done also in your young when you were small. What you have to do, you have to take a soap water and small loop of wire. If you dip that wire loop in soap water, you will blow it, you will get what? Soap bubbles. Children, when you blow that soap bubbles, beautiful colors of rainbow are seen. 7 colors you will see different. Similarly, what you do see on holding a CD in the sun, if you hold a CD in the sun, you can see these colors like a rainbow. Children, there was a scientist, Isaac Newton. He has made a disc, okay, and after his name only this is known as this disc was named as Newton disc. What he has done, the British scientist Sir Isaac Newton made a special disc like this. Disc means round, and cardboard he has taken. This side, this disc was divided into 7 equal parts. Children, he has divided this into How many equal parts? 7 equal parts. And he has colored them red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. This disc was fitted on a stand. This was a stand taken. It was given a support, and it was when it was rotated fast. As the disc was rotated, children, the 7 colors got disappeared. You could not see when the disc is rotated fast. Only you will see a white color. This proved that sunlight is made up of what? 7 colors. That is why this disc was also known as Newton's disc. And Newton wrote one book, that is Optics About the Light. So very important, Newton's disc and that scattering of light. When you pass when sunlight is passed through that glass, what happened? That due to that when it is passed, its scattering is done, and it is when it is seen on that paper, you could see that sunlight is broken into 7 colors. That was scattering of light. That was discovered by the scientist Raman, C.V. Raman. Similarly, if you blow the soap water with the help of that loop of wire, what happens? Small bubbles will be seen. In that bubbles, you will see the different colors like rainbow. Okay, children. So always remember, shape of shadow depends upon the source of light, the object and the surface on which it is formed. We have seen, children, shape depends on the source of light, what you have taken, torch. Okay, the object, the surface on which it is formed. We should not frightened by the shadows we see at night, because there is a simple science behind that. Sometimes at night we see some shadows on our window, so no, and we get frightened. But children, there is a simple science behind that. No need of frightening. So here we have ended our chapter. In the next part, I will upload all the question answers. Till then, read your lesson from the textbook.